Alright, here we are on Derek's Explorer again. We've got some dual inputs going on here. Got our clamp meters here. This one here is reading power in kilowatts. This one here is reading output voltage. And we're going to see what we got here. This is a slightly revised 3500. And we're going to see how it turns out.
Hold on. I got to swap over more RCAs and stuff.
Alright, Derek's going to swap over RCAs. Did you set the knobs equivalent?
No.
Alright, we'll do that too. All on video. We'll check out the cool excess power battery over here while we're waiting. And the these toolmaker, Derek?
Yep.
Toolmaker inputs. I guess we'll do the same max volume we did last time.
Yep. Alright, you ready?
Yep. Alright, we just got 4,480 watts at 62 volts. $44.80 at 62 volts. Derek, you want to do the math for me?
Yeah.
What was the voltage on the alternator?
It was 12.4.
12.4 volts. Alright, so 4480 divided by 62.
72.2.
72.2. Alright, what's 62 divided by 72.2?
0.85.
Alright, so we have 4,480 watts, 12.4 volts at 0.85 actual, no protect, and there we go.